Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus on Samsung TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate Disney Plus on your Samsung TV, start by turning on your Samsung TV. Press the home button on your remote to access the Smart Hub. Navigate to the Apps section using the directional keys on your remote. In the Apps section, select the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Type Disney Plus into the search bar and press Enter. Choose the Disney Plus app from the search results. Select the Install button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch the app. You will be presented with a welcome screen. Grab your mobile device or computer to locate your activation code. On the welcome screen of the Disney Plus app, select Login. Choose Activate Device to receive your unique activation code. Visit the Disney Plus activation website on your device's browser. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Sign in with your Disney Plus account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, your TV screen will refresh automatically. You should now see the main Disney Plus interface on your Samsung TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite movies and shows on Disney Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.